Hey there, this is Andy Nadler with Wicked Reports, and in this video we're going to be talking about scaling and chilling active opportunities. This is really the best part of marketing, right? When it actually works. The scale, chill, active opportunities view is going to do the heavy lifting for you. It's going to be highlighting the campaigns that are generating real returns. Instead of guessing what to scale or leave alone, Wicked shows you exactly where to double down and where to stay cool. The Wicked Report system has three components. This is measure, signal, and action, and this training focuses on action. We're going to discuss how to get team alignment on making scale and chill decisions. Today's topic, scale or chill active opportunities, is part of a weekly routine for the strategist and a tri-weekly routine for the media buyer. It relies on the scale, chill, active opportunities view to be in your account. Scaling or chilling active opportunities is one of the views an effective Wicked Reports power user will use on a regular basis to make quick, intelligent decisions. So I'm going to show you how to run the scale or chill active opportunities routine to find effective ad spend generating a positive return easily. And once you've enabled the 5 Forces AI, it's just done for you every day. So this training focuses on the scale, chill, active opportunities view, and if you don't see it in your pinned views, search for the view in the Home tab dropdown, and if you can't find the view, you can simply create it by clicking the plus view button and going to the 5 Forces category. From there, you'll find the Scale, Chill, Active Opportunities template and click Create this view. From the middle, just leave the defaults and create the view. This view is going to be preloaded with filters that surface active campaigns, spending money, and generating a positive return. You'll see key summary metrics at the top for all campaigns meeting the criteria of your scale and chill zones. The summarized costs are going to be the ad spend to either keep the same or increase. And the stats for each campaign that make up scale chill zones will be at the bottom. So I'm going to show you how to find scale chill active opportunities fast and efficiently. Keep in mind that, again, 5 Forces AI can do this for you. It's incredibly fast. All you have to do is enable it in your account. All right, back to the view. So scroll to the bottom. Each of these campaigns listed is in the scale or chill zone. So let's talk about what that means for a moment, because it will make your marketing attribution life a lot easier. All right, budget optimization strives to classify each campaign's primary KPI into one of 3 buckets: scale, kill, or chill. Scale means increase the budget, chill means keep the budget as is, and kill means decrease the budget unless you can diagnose and fix the problem. So with ROAS, the higher the number, the better. Above the chill zone means you'd scale budget. In the chill zone means leave the budget as is, and below the chill zone would mean kill the budget, unless you find adjustments to lift the ROAS to the chill zone. And again, of course, if you were using CAC or NCAC as optimization instead of ROAS, the kill zone would be swapped. The kill zone would be on top due to higher costs being undesirable. And the scale zone would be at the bottom as we are looking to lower customer acquisition costs as a measure of success. All right, going back to our view, this campaign list is in the scale or chill zone. So let's look at what filters made them land in this zone and how to adjust it for your brand's goals. So we're going to click the filter button. This is going to bring up the default filters for the scale, chill, active opportunities view. The initial default view for Facebook is to have a ROAS greater than 1. You have 2 initial decisions to make to customize this view. The first is whether or not you want to keep ROAS as the primary metric to measure Facebook campaigns for your budget decisions. Keep in mind that this is the Wicked Attributed ROAS, not Facebook reported ROAS. And if you prefer to use CAC or NCAC, then find the drop-down, choose that filter instead. But for this example, we're going to keep ROAS. The second decision is to set the boundary of your chill zone by updating the greater than value. This value will tell Wicked Reports to put any Facebook campaign over this ROAS in the view for scale, chill, active opportunities analysis. So remember, if you make a change, just be sure to click the Save Changes to View button. Okay, so now our scale, chill, active opportunities view shows campaigns for Meta that have a ROAS greater than 2. Let's rename this view to indicate that it's specifically for Meta. Click on the 3 dots to the right of the view name and choose Edit. Edit the view name to add -meta as a suffix, for example, and then click Save and Apply. To set this up for other high budget channels, click the 3 dots to the right of the view name and simply duplicate it. You'll edit the name by removing the word copy and changing Meta to Google or some other channel that you might want to replicate this for. Then go to the filters and change the channel to Google Ads, or of course whatever channel you choose. Now click Create and Apply View. Our new view is now created and pinned and has identified all Google campaigns with a ROAS above 2. which sadly there isn't for this account. So we simply click on the Other Scale Chill Active Opportunities tab for Facebook. The scale and chill campaigns identified are profitable according to the key metric and the boundary point you set for the chill zone. But just because a campaign is profitable doesn't mean it can scale endlessly. Our training, Diagnose, and Improve uses this view and guides you on how you can see what is driving the success of these campaigns using the Wicked's 5 strategic areas of optimization. That way you can scale intelligently, duplicating what works and avoiding what doesn't. An additional training in this series is Advanced Funnel Vision Deep Dive. This video will break down customizations and settings to tune funnel vision to your marketing funnel, customer conversion behavior, and new versus repeat segmentation. Profit is hiding in plain sight. The Scale Chill view makes sure you don't miss it. So I say get after it. Go find some of your active opportunities that you can scale right now.